Hi, this is Donna M. Butler, and it is so eerie out here. The wind is blowing, it's picking up. I'm back out here again. It's not raining yet, but it's just so eerie. I thought I'd come out and just listen and let you listen to what it sounds like out here as the wind is picking up, but no rain. It seems to be like it's like looping around and we're getting like hit and miss. Right now it's missing, but the wind is strong. Let's take a moment and just listen to the wind. My little lantern behind my head is doing its thing. My husband said when the big chimes started ringing, he would know. Well, they've been ringing on and off. It just seems like they have a mind of their own, actually. But I'm out here, and I'm wide awake, and I just wanted to take a chance, not so much a chance, take an opportunity to come out and let you hear what I'm hearing. And maybe get an opportunity to just see how this is working. The sounds of Hurricane Isaac as it approaches Zachary, Louisiana. I'll be back out when there's more to report, but in the meantime, stay with us and stay prayerful. Bye-bye.